So, welcome back again, my dear students, in the electrochemistry series. In this electrochemistry series, we have already prepared 5 video, and here, because of electrochemistry, because of less time, I am not able to prepare the remaining video of the chapter. From long time there is no video for this electrochemistry. So, but today, anyhow, it's 11:56, almost 12 night, and I am preparing video for you. So in the electrochemistry, till the last video we have finished the spontaneity and everything. Now we are going to discuss about the Nast equation. So in the beginning only I told you, for what I forget what I told you. Okay, means standard condition 1 molar 25 degrees Celsius temperature and 1 atm pressure will apply the formula to determine the EMF of cell, but at any concentration or any temperature, how to find EMF of cell, that will be decided by the Nast equation. So check it, the concept. So what it will help, you can write, it will help to find E cell at any temperature and concentration. If you want to find out E cell at any temperature and pressure, then we have to apply this Nast equation. What is Nast equation, children? Check it. It is E cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF log concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. That formula we have to use. Here E is what? EMF, or you can say electrode potential at any concentration and temperature. This E naught is what? Standard EMF of cell. R is what? It's a gas constant, 8.314 joule mole Kelvin. T is what? T is temperature, and it should be in Kelvin. P is what? Concentration of product. R is what? Concentration of reactant, or you can write Q also at this place. So Q is equal to concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. Q is called reaction quotient. So that is the formula. But children, This formula we will not use. We'll use another formula. E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 upon n log concentration of product upon reactant base 10. 99% cases we have to apply this formula. Okay, in 99% case. One thing I forget here, F is what? Faraday. N is what? Number of electron transferred. So that is the case. Now how to derive this equation, that we will discuss. Then we will solve problem related to this and we'll finish this video. So here derivation. Derivation from thermodynamics. So thermodynamics, if you are not aware, then full thermodynamics series is available on my channel. You can go through it once and check it. So according to the thermodynamics, children, what we know, that delta G is equal to minus NF. Oh, not from thermodynamics, this is from this chapter only. Delta G is equal to minus NF E cell, and standard gives free energy change delta minus NF, and it will be E naught of cell. But we know that from the thermodynamics, delta G is equal to delta G naught plus 2.303 RT log Q base 10. This is coming from where? From thermodynamics. Okay, this equation is coming from what? From thermodynamics, from TD. Q is what? Reaction quotient. I have already told you. That means Q is equal to concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. Put the value of delta G and delta G naught minus NF E cell is equal to minus NF E naught of cell plus 2.303 RT upon log concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. Simple. Divide by minus NF, whole equation divide by minus NF, then what you will get? So if you will divide, then only E cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF log product upon reactant. That is the next equation. Yes or no? Yes. So generally T is equal to 25 degrees Celsius, 298 Kelvin, and Faraday value 96500 coulomb, and R value 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. If you will use this value, then what formula you will get? E cell is equal to E naught of cell 0.059 upon N log P upon log R. So that is the next equation derivation. Although they are not asking derivation, but for your understanding only I am explaining this derivation. So let's solve problem related to this and finish the video. Question is given: find reduction potential and oxidation potential of Fe+2 to Fe. This is aqueous state and it is solid state at 25 degrees Celsius, and concentration here given 0.01 molar. E naught of Fe+2 to Fe is given minus 0.45 volt. So how to solve? We know the formula. E cell is equal to E naught minus 0.059 upon N log P upon log R. 10 I am not writing again and again. So in this case it is what? Reduction potential only according to the IUPAC. So reduction potential means what? Fe+2 is accepting 2 electron converted into Fe solid. That is the equation, and concentration 0.01 molar. In that case, one thing you have to write: note for pure solid and liquid. For pure solid and liquid, concentration will be 1. So use formula E Fe+2 to Fe, reduction potential is equal to E naught value is given minus 0.05, minus 0.45 minus 0.059 upon N number of electron 2 log product is Fe, concentration of Fe solid in pure state, and concentration of Fe+2 in aqueous state. So solve it, children. So here it will be minus 0.45 minus 0.059 upon 2. So it is solid state, this one, then concentration 1, and this one is 0.01. So here minus 0.05 0.059 upon 2, it will be equal to what? 10 की power 2, 10 की power minus 2. So if it will be 10 की power 2. See, no need to confuse. It is log 1 upon 10 की power minus 2. So minus 0.45 minus 0.59 upon 2. It will be log 10 की power 2. So log m की power n log m. Log 10 base 10 value is what? 1. So it will be 0. minus 0.59 upon 2 into 2 into 1. So 2 cancel and answer will be minus 0.50 volt. That is E cell reduction potential. So oxidation potential will be what? Plus 0.50 volt. Like that we'll solve the problem. Next question number 2. Again find reduction potential and oxidation potential. Of chromium solid to chromium plus 3, concentration 0.1 molar at 25 degrees Celsius, and E naught for is given minus 0.75 volt. So what value is given, children? Plus 320. That means reduction potential value given. So reaction is what? Chromium plus 3 will accept 3 electron, convert into chromium. Here concentration solid 1 molar and here 0.1 molar. So again formula, E cell is equal to E naught of cell 0.059 by 3 log chromium. So solid 1 and 10 की power minus 1. So this value minus 0.75, make it 0.06 divided by 3. So it will be 0.02, and here log 1. Log 10 की power 1. So 1 log 10 base 10 then 1. So what is the answer? 0.77 minus reduction potential, then oxidation potential plus 0.77 volt. Simple question. Question number 3. EMF of cell. Find EMF of cell. Which cell? Chromium 2, chromium plus 3, concentration 0.1 molar, salt bridge Fe plus 2, 0.01 molar to Fe. So what it is, children? Left side always anode. So this is your anode and this is your cathode. Remaining value is given E naught chromium plus 3 to chromium minus 0.75 volt, and E naught Fe plus 2 to Fe is minus 0.45 volt, and both is what? Reduction potential. Both are reduction potential given, then no need to take any tension. E naught you have to find out. E naught of cell is equal to E of cathode minus E of anode. So cathode and anode, how to find it? Cathode wait 1 minute. In the previous two questions, if you go through, direct you can solve. E cell is equal to E of cathode minus E of anode. So cathode is what? Iron. In the previous question, question number 1, what value we found? Minus 0. That was, if you remember, you can check back, 0.509 and minus 0.77, this value right now. So it will be minus 0.509 plus 0.77. So then E cell is equal to 0.26 volt. But this value we know from the previous question, then it is easy. Otherwise you can go through the original method. What is the original method according to our concept? Check it. What is the concept? Next equation. So here I am erasing this part. That formula, E cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 upon N log concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. So reaction, you have to write the reaction. Chromium is converted into chromium plus 3 electron, and Fe plus 2 accepting 2 electron converted into Fe. Electrons should be cancelled, I told you. So this should be multiplied by 3, this should be multiplied by 2. Then what happened? Electron cancel. We will get 2Cr plus 3Fe plus 2. It gives 2Cr plus 3 plus 3Fe. Now concentration is given in the question. Solid state 1 molar, here 10 की power minus 2 molar, here 10 की power minus 1 molar, and here 1 molar because of solid state. Then you have to find out E naught of cell is equal to E of cathode, and E naught of anode. So put the value, these value. So what it is? Cathode value minus 0.45 minus 0.75. If you will solve it, then from here 0.30 volt E naught of cell value you will get. Then put the value in the equation. E cell is equal to E naught 0.30 minus 0.059 upon total electron transferred 6 log solid state, no need to write, this is one product, this is reactant, so log Cr plus 3 power 2 and Fe plus 2 power 3. So what it is? 0.30, make it 0.06 upon 6, so it will be 0.01 log 10 की power minus 1 square upon 10 की power minus 2 cube, then 0.30 minus 0.01, 3 2 are 6 and here 2, so it will be log base 10 की power 4, here minus 6, yes minus 2, so 2 cancel, 10 की power 4, so it will be 0.30 minus 0.01 and minus multiplied 4. So here I am solving. E cell is equal to (0.30) minus 0.04 and same answer 0.26 volt you will get. So that is the concept. Hope it is clear to you. One more question will solve and will finish the lecture. Almost 27 minutes completed. So check it. Question number 4. Time is almost 12:30. Here EMF of cell we have to find out. At 25 degrees Celsius Zn what value given? E naught minus 0.76 volt, E naught minus 0.14 volt. See, so here both case reduction potential given, fine. Then E naught of cell you have to find out first. E of cathode minus E of anode. So this one is anode and this one is cathode. Put the value minus 0.14 minus 0.76, so from here plus 0.76, so that answer is coming 0.62 volt, that is E naught of cell. Now what is the reaction? Write the reaction. Zn converted into Zn plus 2 electron, Sn plus 2 except 2 electron converted into Sn. Electron cancel. Zn plus Sn plus 2, Zn plus 2 Sn. Solid state 1 molar concentration. Remaining 2 concentration given Sn plus 2 10 की power minus 3 molar, and it is 10 की power minus 1 molar. Now E cell is equal to, direct value I am putting, E naught of cell 0.62 minus 0.059 electron transfer to log product Zn plus 2 upon no power Sn plus 2. Okay, so it will be 6.02. Here make it 0.06. Why? For calculation point of view. So here 0.03 log 10 की power minus 1, 10 की power minus 3. So overall 10 की power 2. So 10 की power 2 means 0.62 minus 0.03 log base 10, 10 की power 2. So multiplied by 2. So here it will be 0.62 minus 0.03 multiplied by 2. So it will be 0.62 minus 0.06, and E cell now is equal to 0.56 volt. That is the answer. एक क्वेश्चन और सॉल्व करेंगे. कैन वी सॉल्व वन मोर क्वेश्चन? Or you are getting bored? If you are bored, then we can bind up. Otherwise, we can solve one more question we'll solve. That is important also. Last question of this video. It will take 5 minutes. EMF of cell at 25 degrees Celsius is cell EMF given. EMF you have to find out. E naught of cell is given. E naught of cell is equal to minus 0.92 volt, and cell is platinum, hydrogen. So hydrogen is a gas and pressure is 1 bar. It's a standard hydrogen electrode. H plus, it is aqueous and 1 molar. Again salt bridge. M plus 4 aqueous, M plus 2 aqueous, and platinum. Platinum is used as a reference electrode. So here this is your anode, and this is your cathode. Value is also given. E naught M plus 4 M plus 2 is equal to 6.151, and E naught of H plus half H2 is 0. Because hydrogen electrode, its value is always 0, and m plus 2 m plus 4 concentration is equal to 10 की power x. Find x. What you have to find x. चलो start. Let's start. Tired. So E naught of cell, sorry, it's E cell, not E naught of cell, children. E cell is given. So E naught of cell E of cathode minus E of anode. So cathode hydrogen, and that is what value is given. That value is, it is not 6, children. 0.0. So that is your cathode, and reduction potential it is, so it is 0.151, and minus this is anode 0, so it is 0.151 volt. Then reaction. What is the reaction? H2 will be converted into 2H plus 2 electron, M plus 4 except 2 electron converted into M plus 2. So here overall reaction H2 plus M plus 4 gives 2H plus M plus 2. Now apply the Nernst equation formula. What is the formula? E cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 upon n log product upon reactant concentration. So E cell is given 0.092 is equal to E naught of cell. We find out this value 0.151 minus 0.059, n is what? Electron 2 log, in the case of gas partial pressure you have to use, so product H plus 1 molar is given. So this is product, these are the product, so it is what? H plus concentration and M plus 2 concentration, product partial pressure of H2 into M की power M plus 4 concentration. But in the question they have given, what they have given? This value. This value is 10 की power x, and here this concentration 1 and partial pressure also 1. So how it will be? Check it now. 0.092 is equal to 0.151 minus 0.059 by 2 log H2 square. So 1 square means nothing. 1 square into 10 की power x upon 1. Solve it. So 0.059 by 2 into x. Why? Because 10 की power x log that means log m की power n, then n log x is equal to 0.1 minus 0.092. So from here you have to solve this value. So 0.059 by 2 into x is equal to 0.059, cancel, and x is equal to 2. So that is the answer. So these kind of problem like that we have to solve. First we find this E naught of cell, then reaction, reactant, product, applied formula, put value and solve. So that is all about the Nernst equation, nothing more than this. It is completed now. So thank you.